I had all of this room up here, and I figured why not put the hens up here. They don't fight. They're all getting into great condition now. They got about another 3 or 4 weeks, some of them a little more. This is the house of hens. Most of these are 1 and 2 year old, the breeding stock. Some real nice showbirds. Pretty nice kite hen over there in the corner. The whites are super. I'm real happy with them this year. Some great feather length. Real toppy. And illusion looking good. When you do it like this, you really know how many pigeons you got, because there's a cock downstairs for every one of these usually.